this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps on your Android phone. To install apps on your Android phone, you want to go ahead and find the Play Store. If you're not able to locate it, you want to locate the Google folder. And inside the Google folder, you will find the Play Store. If you're not able to find it, you can swipe up on your phone and then you want to simply type in Play. You'll find Play Store, you open it. If you're using, for example, a Samsung phone, I'm going to also show you how you can find it. You want to go ahead and look for the store, just simple swipe up and you type in store. This is the Samsung store and you can also download apps from here. And so once you open the Galaxy Store, you will be able to click on apps at the bottom. And again, you can use the search on the upper right to search for whatever. So let's say you want to search for an app. You can go ahead and use the search on the upper right hand side and basically search for whatever you want. So that's the one way how you can install apps. But if you want the best app that will basically find almost any app, recommend you use the Play Store. Open up the Play Store and click on apps at the bottom. And from here, you can either scroll down and find apps or go to the top charts and you can see what's there if you find something that interests you. Or if you're looking for something specific that you know about, click the search and then use the search at the top to search for whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to download Google Chrome. I could type in Chrome, hit search, and you'll see that it finds Chrome. And you can see it will also start to show other apps like these, which is also a cool feature that you can go ahead and download apps. If I wanted to download, for example, Snapchat, I can type in Snapchat and hit search. Maybe I write it in 2 words there, but you get a general idea. Snapchat, it will search and it will find it. And again, you can tap on install. So if I tap on install, you will see that it start to install the application. I'm going to cancel it for the time being. But that's it. So that's how you can easily download apps on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple.